Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is how much protein on a plant-based diet. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I ate on this day. And then stay tuned through the video because at the end, I'm going to show you the total calories, carbs, fiber, fat, and protein that I got for the day. So I started off my first meal at 12:30 p.m., which is typical for me. I did a strength training workout at about 11 a.m. and I fast through the morning, and I generally have my first meal at around 1 o'clock. And I alternate between strength training and cardio depending on the day, with a day off thrown in the mix as well. So at 12:30 I made my banana date shake. Now this is a really tasty smoothie. It had 4 dates, it had 5 frozen strawberries, I had a tablespoon of cacao powder, I had a tablespoon of peanut butter. It had 6 frozen ripe bananas. Now, what I do with my bananas is I freeze them with the peel on once they're nice and ripe. And then I thaw them in hot water for about 4 minutes. And then they come right out of the peel. And it has a great consistency. So that's why I like to freeze them with the peel on and then thaw them out. Also, the smoothie had about a half a cup of almond milk. So I generally start off my first meal with either a smoothie or fruit. I'm a big believer in eating fruit, and it's a good way, nice and easy for digestion, nice and hydrating. So I'm always starting it off with either the smoothie or a fruit, and today I did the smoothie. And this made just a little bit over a liter, so it fit perfectly in my to-go cup because I was headed out to take care of some errands. And let me show you what I had next. This was at 3:30 p.m. I had an oatmeal. I had 3/4 cup of organic rolled oats. Cooked that up on the stove. I added in a 1/3 cup pecans, a 1/3 cup of dried cherries, some cinnamon, an apple, about 3/4 cup frozen blueberries, and about a 1/4 cup of almond milk. So it's a great oatmeal combination that I make often. Then at 6 p.m. I had a salad. It had greens, cucumber, carrots, avocado, and an apple. Then I finished things off at 7:30 p.m. with the tofu dish that I make that has sweet and spicy sauce over rice. Had a side of broccoli, some of these baked chips, and prunes. And that was it. So the totals for the day was 3,300 calories, 520 grams of net carbs, 70 grams of fiber, 90 grams of fat, and 77 grams of protein. And make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day. Subscribe for more, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.